trade. The blood that flows through the veins of our communities. To have the stock of safety. To hold what we cannot create ourselves.
A unique opportunity has presented itself.
Only at Madoin do the Mansa allow. Own the job. In some ink.
We are being beset by pirates. Our shipments of crumb have been raided left and right. We need help. We are... Our Castellus crumb is the finest on the Earthsea. We had some last night to check, and yep, it's still the best. But there lies the problem. It's so good, the pirates keep raiding our shipments for it. Time we strike back. We've received word of a pirate ship at this location. Yo, well, the Falconeer here, so let's see you take it out. Return with whatever stolen goods it carries, and we'll have a toast with some of the best crumb upon your return.
Take down this bag of splinters! Shoot down this flying fart, comrades! We might let you live!
Looks like that ship was carrying more than just crumb and splinters. We found a map to Aiton's Folly. the legendary pirate town and the seat of the pirate lord, the Lost King. We are charged of filthy pirates stealing our crumb. As we now know the location of Aiton's folly,
In some... The giant fungi... The gi-
A unique opportunity has presented itself. A lone pirate skull ship has been spotted near the moor. You Falconeers, take it down and retrieve whatever intel you can from the wreckage.
The captain's reported a suspected pirate skull ship over the moor. It's payback time.
We have reached a critical point. If you think Dunkel can sink any lower, you are mistaken. We must find information on these ships. Anything to turn the tide.
For this mission to succeed, we'll need to watch each other's backs. We've been on the end of far too many drubbings. Let's return the favour to these Earthsea scum. The skull ship was spotted here, over the moor. We need to find it and take it out. Once the skull ship has crashed, search the wreckage. Hopefully we'll get some intel.
Good luck, you two. Take to the skies. Quickly now.
These skull ships are the pirates' latest weapon. This is about retribution, but also retrieving any new information we can. There it is! Mind your ammo. If you run out, the turrets sometimes drop their ammo for you to use. Dunkel. It might have some useful intel.
This is an incredible find. It seems to contain a trove of documents. We'll be sure to learn something about the pirate menace from this. The trove of documents has yielded a wealth of information. It's time to act upon its revelations.
You're new here.
The trove of documents has yielded. A number of important facts were discovered from the documents you recovered, and one of particular note. The pirates have been buying equipment from the House of Borgia.
Which explains their well-equipped forces. This is illegal. The smart thing to do would be to take this information to the Royal Court at Imperial Harbour.
We're not doing that. Let's flip the sloop. We can use this as leverage with House Borgia. You are taking a highly sensitive message to the masters of House Borgia. Our backs are against the wall, and I'm done being played a fool. Go now, and let's make the most of this opportunity we've been given. Godspeed, and return quickly with news.
Just die! No! Have at it! I will watch you burn!
So the House of Dunkel wants to play. Blackmail? We invented that game, and we've hung messengers for less. It does not suit our plans to draw Dunkel blood. We shall parley. but only in a meeting at Dunkel in person. Time to pay the good people of Dunkel a visit. Ready a cutter. We set sail.
There you are. Let me start with a sincere apology. We did not intend for Dunkel to lose Madouine. The Mansa's response was severe. We will try to make amends. We dealt with pirates because we too are struggling. The whims and bureaucracy of the Mansa Order are keeping us from prospering. House Borgia lies on the edge of them all. I've never met a Mansa who knows the origins of its existence. It seems no one can tell us what this blight on our doorstep is. Have you ever wondered why we let the Mansa pull all the strings, why we accept their permits and their rules without question? It is because we feel more comfortable with someone in control. Someone who's knowledgeable in ways we are not. Ah, a welcome committee. Seems our mercenary pirates will turn on us. Let us deal with them and make some reparations to the people of Dunkel.
Stand and deliver!
Well, we certainly got a taste of our own medicine this time. Let's digest it before the meeting starts. We shall talk soon enough.
Who knows what we're getting into with House Borgia, but they are a powerful ally, especially in these dark times. It seems that House Borgia is willing to deal. We are receiving a number of cutter warships as compensation for the damages caused, and in exchange, we will keep quiet about their sales to the pirate. House Borgia's dealings with the pirates have backfired quite spectacularly and damaged Dunkel beyond measure. We have to come to a deal.
Again, we apologize for our actions. We had not foreseen this outcome. However, now we both have something to gain from working together. Firstly, we're gifting Dunkel a cutter. This is a surplus ship from the Marshes Wharfs. You will be escorting it from Cleftspire back to Dunkel.
Once we have established our new naval forces at Dunkel, we will support clandestine efforts to eliminate pirates together with House Borgia.
There it is! It might be surplus for the Imperium, but it'll outgun anything the Three Houses can muster.
Good day, sirs. Let us set sail for Dunkel. Weigh the anchors.
A pirate task force! This time we have the advantage! Attack! The added firepower! Let's get her through this pirate scum!
firepower, we can reassert ourselves. This may even usher a new dawn for our much maligned free house. Pirate assault on SALADMOUNT is imminent. Time to lend a hand and put our new firepower to use.
You're new here? You're new here?
Pirate assault on SALADMOUNT. We have intel that the pirates are preparing a full raid on SALADMOUNT. Their wood mining operation is one of the richest in Earthsea. We are going to deal a death blow to the pirate fleet as they attack SALADMOUNT, with one important distinction. Do not strike until SALADMOUNT is burning and its defenders defeated. This is part of a scheme proposed by House Borgia. Do not attack SALADMOUNT directly. Let the pirates do the work. If you succeed, House Borgia and House Mercius will endorse Dunkel as the new claim holders for rebuilding SALADMOUNT. We will be seen as both rescuers and rebuilders.
SALADMOUNT's wood will be a source of great wealth for Dunkel, as House Mercius will purchase all that can be produced from now on. There's no turning back now.
I wouldn't have made these choices myself, but I can't object. I have family at SALADMOUNT, even though Dunkel is my home. These are dire times.
Good to see you, boys. We'll stay out of range until the first wave of pirates have done their worst.
Straight for SALADMOUNT. Lead the way.
We'll wait here. You guys show your faces and report when we can move in.
Get involved, but make sure the defences have already been dealt with by the pirates. If you have the stomach for it, you can sneak in a sea mine drop without anyone seeing. SALADMOUNT's defences are gone. It had to be done. Time to bring in the big guns. Let's get rid of these pirates.
raw.
They're all gone. Every pirate slain. The seas littered with SALADMOUNT defenders. Let the Borgias and the Merciers complete their legal takeover, while we head back.
Supporting our claim as we speak. The SALADMOUNT families will have no other way to pay for their rescue than to offer up their claim. SALADMOUNT wood will be the source of great wealth for Dunkel. Even more so, House Merciers will purchase all that can be produced from now on. All there's a sure.
Even the Mansa order. The Imperium tends...
Get out!
Even... Locate... Locate...